Okay, hello guys, another video with Leetcode easy problems. So I'm going to sort the people, and we need to sort people by their height. First of all, I'm going to start a result array. Then I'm going to start a for loop. I'm going in a sorted haste, but I need not default sorted haste, I need the reversed one. So I'm going to write this one, and I'm going to result dot append names by haste dot index I, and return result. So a little bit explanation. Firstly, we sort the array and we reverse it. Then we are appending. I mean, we use names like array, and so we append like we have names and like names. And we need to write here an index, and instead of index we write haste. So definitely a little bit spelling mistake. In haste we find I, and we append that number to an result. So definitely haste.index, for example, if it will be 1, it's going to be the last one because our array is reversed. Oh no, it will be first one because I is runs through reversed array. So anyway, we just going to find name, and in the index we will write the haste. So now I run it, and as you can see, it works, but not so fast. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.